Hi. This is Holmes Guide. Hey there. Are you ready to step up your photography game? Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 best Canon mirrorless cameras on the market. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, Canon's mirrorless lineup offers cutting-edge technology and stunning image quality that will elevate your creative vision. From compact models perfect for travel to high-performance cameras designed for capturing every detail, there's a Canon mirrorless camera here to meet your needs. Join me as we explore their features, performance, and what sets them apart in the world of photography. Ready to find your perfect match? Let's dive in. So, check the link in the description below for more details and the latest pricing updates. Number 1. Canon EOS RP Full-Frame Mirrorless Interchangeable Lens Camera with RF24-105mm lens. This compact and lightweight camera is designed for travelers and vloggers seeking high-quality imaging in a portable package. Featuring a versatile RF lens with a zoom range of 24 to 105mm, it offers exceptional flexibility for various shooting scenarios, from wide-angle landscapes to close-up portraits. Equipped with optical image stabilization providing up to 5 stops of shake correction, it ensures sharp and steady images even in challenging conditions. With a maximum magnification of 0.4x and a minimum focusing distance of just 0.66 feet in autofocus mode, capturing intricate details is effortless. Switching to center focus macro mode increases the maximum magnification to 0.5x with a closer minimum focusing distance of 0.43 feet, ideal for stunning macro photography. The Canon EOS RP also serves beyond traditional photography. Utilize the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software for both Mac and Windows platforms, transforming the camera into a high-quality webcam for crisp video conferencing and streaming. Alternatively, achieve the same quality through its clean HDMI output, ensuring versatility in multimedia applications. With its ability to record video in stunning 4K UHD resolution at 2160p, this camera excels in capturing cinematic moments with clarity and detail. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, creating engaging vlogs, or streaming live content, the Canon EOS RP stands out as a reliable companion for photographers and content creators alike, offering advanced features and a compact form factor. Number 2. Canon EOS R5 Mirrorless Camera, a powerhouse designed for photographers and videographers seeking uncompromising image quality and versatility. Boasting a newly developed 45-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, this camera delivers stunningly detailed images with exceptional clarity and dynamic range. The advanced DigicX image processor ensures swift performance across a wide ISO range from 100 to 51,200, expandable to 102,400, perfect for low-light conditions without sacrificing quality. Whether capturing fast-paced action or serene landscapes, the EOS R5 offers high-speed continuous shooting up to 12 frames per second with the mechanical shutter and an impressive 20 frames per second using the electronic, silent, shutter, ensuring you never miss a moment. Its revolutionary dual-pixel CMOS AF covers approximately 100% of the frame with 1,053 autofocus areas, enabling precise and rapid subject tracking, including people and animals, utilizing deep learning technology. Equipped with dual memory card slots, the EOS R5 provides flexibility and reliability during extended shoots, ensuring you can store ample data without interruption. For videographers, the camera supports stunning 8K video recording, delivering cinema-quality footage with exceptional detail and color fidelity. Additionally, the EOS R5 features in-body image stabilization (IBIS), enhancing stability and enabling the creation of high-resolution 400-megapixel files directly in camera with firmware 1.8.1 or later. This capability is ideal for applications requiring ultra-high resolution, such as art reproduction and architectural photography. Complemented by its compatibility with the RF lens lineup, including the RF 5.2mm f2.8L dual fisheye lens, the EOS R5 exemplifies Canon's commitment to innovation and excellence in mirrorless camera technology. Number 3. Canon EOS R50 Mirrorless Camera RFS 18-45mm f4.5-6.3 ISSTM Lens Kit, a compact and powerful addition to Canon's lineup. Featuring a 24.2-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and powered by the DigicX processor, this camera delivers exceptional image quality and performance. Ideal for both photography and videography, it supports 4K uncropped video recording at up to 30 frames per second, oversampled from 6K footage, ensuring superb clarity and detail. For dynamic video content, it offers full HD high frame rate recording at up to 120 frames per second, perfect for capturing smooth slow-motion sequences. The EOS R50 excels in autofocus capabilities with dual-pixel CMOS AF2, covering an impressive 100% x 100% area with 651 AF zones. This advanced autofocus system includes auto subject detection and tracking powered by deep learning technology, ensuring sharp focus whether you're photographing people, animals, or vehicles. Continuous shooting is seamless with options for 12 frames per second with electronic first curtain and a rapid 15 frames per second with electronic shutter, ideal for capturing fast-paced action or spontaneous moments. Designed for versatility, the camera includes advanced A+ assist, expanding its auto mode capabilities with a wide range of scene options for enhanced creative expression. Additionally, it features a built-in flash, perfect for low-light conditions and backlit scenes, ensuring you can always capture the perfect shot. Compact and lightweight with an RF mount, the Canon EOS R50 is a standout choice for vloggers, content creators, and anyone looking to elevate their photography and videography to the next level. Number 4. Canon EOS R6 Mark II Mirrorless Camera, a powerhouse in the realm of full-frame hybrid cameras. Boasting a formidable 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor, this camera delivers exceptional clarity and detail, whether you're shooting in challenging indoor environments or under the open sky. Powered by the Digic X image processor, it excels in image stabilization, processing speed, and video performance, ensuring sharp, noise-free results. Ideal for capturing fast-paced action, the electronic shutter allows for high-speed continuous shooting up to 40 frames per second at 20 MP, perfect for dynamic sports or portrait photography. The EOS R6 Mark II sets itself apart with advanced subject detection capabilities, effortlessly recognizing and tracking subjects from people to small animals, cars, and even aircraft. Its intelligent head, face, and eye detection features prioritize focus on subjects' faces or eyes with remarkable precision, while also extending to animals for accurate wildlife photography. Videographers will appreciate its ability to record up to 6 hours of uninterrupted Full HD video, or shoot 6K oversampled 4K movies at 60 frames per second, maintaining quality without overheating, a testament to its robust video capabilities. Built for seamless connectivity, this camera supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5, enabling effortless sharing of photos and videos via the Canon Camera Connect app. For fast data transfers, the USB Type-C port offers lightning-speed connectivity to compatible devices at 10 gigabits per second. Composing shots is intuitive with the 3.0-inch Clearview LCD 2 vari-angle touchscreen, offering flexibility in angle and visibility. Meanwhile, the OLED electronic viewfinder delivers a vivid 100% view of your subject at 120 frames per second, ensuring precise shot composition under any lighting condition. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II mirrorless camera redefines versatility and performance in the world of mirrorless photography, making it a standout choice for professionals and enthusiasts seeking the best in Canon's mirrorless lineup. Number 5. Canon EOS R8 Mirrorless Camera RF24-50mm f4.5-6.3 ISSTM Lens Kit, a powerhouse in the realm of full-frame mirrorless technology. Boasting a 24.2 million pixel CMOS image sensor and the advanced Digic X image processor, this camera combines high-resolution imaging with exceptional processing speed. It stands out with its compact design, making it Canon's lightest full-frame RF mount mirrorless option yet. The inclusion of a 0.39-inch OLED EVF with 2.36 million dots ensures clear, detailed viewing, enhanced by a 120 frames per second refresh rate. Complementing this is a 3.0-inch vari-angle LCD touchscreen, featuring 1.62 million dots for intuitive control and versatile shooting angles. Equipped with dual-pixel CMOS AF2 covering an impressive 100% x 100% area, the EOS R8 offers 1,053 AF zones and utilizes deep learning technology for automatic subject detection. This includes people, animals, vehicles, and now extends to aircraft, trains, and horses, ensuring precision and reliability in every frame. Video capabilities are equally robust, with uncropped 4K recording at up to 60 frames per second oversampled from 6K, along with full HD high frame rate recording up to 180 frames per second. Canon Log 3 and HDR-PQ options further enhance video flexibility, while features like UVC/UAC support for webcam and streaming simplify content creation. In terms of image quality, the EOS R8 excels across various shooting conditions. It delivers improved resolution at low ISO speeds and minimal noise at high ISO settings, thanks to its wide dynamic range and reduced rolling shutter effect, particularly noticeable during fast-paced shoots or rapid panning. Whether capturing stills or videos, this camera ensures professional-grade results with every click, catering to the needs of enthusiasts and content creators alike seeking uncompromising performance in a compact, user-friendly package. In conclusion, Canon offers a range of exceptional mirrorless cameras to suit various needs, from photography enthusiasts to professionals. Whether you're looking for superior image quality, advanced features, or compactness, Canon's mirrorless lineup delivers on all fronts. From the versatile EOS R5 to the compact EOS RP, each model brings something unique to the table. Choosing the best Canon mirrorless camera depends on your specific requirements and shooting style. We hope this guide has helped you narrow down your options and find the perfect fit for your photography journey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. Share it with your friends for more updates and comprehensive camera reviews.